This is a guide on replacing a screen on an Asus VivoBook X512f laptop. For the replacement process, we'll need an X-Acto knife, a Phillips screwdriver, and plastic picks. To begin, shut down the laptop and disconnect the power cord. Using an X-Acto knife, remove 2 pieces of plastic covers in the bottom corners. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws. Start removing the bezel. Insert a plastic pick between the screen and inner side of the bezel. Move the pick around the perimeter, unsnapping the tabs underneath. Close the laptop and turn it upside down. Release the bezel near the hinges and the bottom of the screen. Remove the bezel and put it aside. The LCD is mounted with adhesive onto LCD support rails. Remove 2 Phillips screws in the top left and right corners to free up the LCD supporting rails to help with separating the LCD from the adhesive. Using plastic picks, separate the screen from the rails. Place the screen on the keyboard, and using plastic picks and fingers, peel off the clear tape securing the video cable. Disconnect the video cable. Discard the old screen. Place the new screen on the keyboard. Reconnect the video cable and secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. Also, you must not twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Now we can test the screen. Lift the screen up and lean it against the back cover. Turn the laptop on. The screen is working and we can finish the installation process. We are going to apply a set of adhesive strips to reattach the screen to the rails. You can buy a set of adhesive strips on our site, LaptopScreen.com. Using alcohol and a cloth, clean the surface of the screen and of the rails. Apply adhesive strips. Lift the screen up and apply some pressure to catch the glue. Replace 2 Phillips screws holding the rails. Remove the protective film. Now we can replace the bezel. Lift the screen to a vertical position and insert the bezel between the screen and the laptop body. Go around the perimeter, snapping tabs back in place. Turn the laptop sideways and using a plastic pick, make sure that the tabs are snapped in at the bottom of the screen. Replace 2 Phillips screws in the bottom corners. Replace the 2 plastic covers. Reconnect the power cable, turn the laptop on, and we're done.